JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Xiaomi RB02 AC1200 dual-band Gigabit Wi-Fi router, unboxing and demonstration. The Mi router 4 Gigabit edition features 1 Gigabit WAN port and 2 Gigabit LAN ports, easily achieving network speeds of 100 megabits per second and above, compared with 100 megabit ports. This allows you to better utilize every megabit of bandwidth. The router body has an understated geometric form and durable non-coated matte white plastic shell, simple and durable, aesthetically in harmony with the rest of your home. Package contents: installation guide, LAN cable, 12-volt DC power adapter, Xiaomi RB02 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.